Hi guys, welcome to Selvin Kitchen. Today in Selvin Kitchen we have an awesome delicious recipe we're gonna do. People, all of my new subscribers that were subscribed to Selvin Kitchen for the last couple of days, couple of weeks, thank you guys very much to subscribe to Selvin Kitchen. My old subscriber them again, thank you very much to stick with Selvin Kitchen. And guys, if you're watching Selvin Kitchen video, please give me a thumbs up. Please hit that notification so when I post a video you guys will get it. So further ado, in Selvin Kitchen, awesome delicious recipe. We have a chicken Alfredo we're gonna do today. Right over here, this is all the seasoning, the chicken, the pasta, everything we're gonna do. Over here we have 500 grams of chicken breast. I already cleaned it, I already cut it up already. Optional, you can use chicken thighs if you want. So we have 500 grams of chicken breast. We have 6 mushroom already finely chopped. We have 1 white onion finely chopped. We have some parsley. We have half of lime juice. It's optional. If you don't have lime, you can use the lemon juice instead. We have 6 cloves of garlic finely chopped. We have half a cup of cheese. We have 1 heavy cream what we're going to use. We're going to use a tablespoon of anchor butter. I'm going to use some sparkling wine. You can use any type of alcohol, any type of wine to your likeness, to your choice, but I'm going to use some sparkling wine. And this is the pasta we're going to use. So in Selvin Kitchen, people, awesome, delicious recipe in Selvin Kitchen we're going to do today, guys. Yes, guys, so I just put on some pot with some water. My water is getting hot, so I'm going to add a little bit of salt in it. Gonna add around half a teaspoon of salt. So leave the water to get a little bit warm first, hot, and then before I put in my pasta. Yes, people, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to season up this chicken breast. I'm just going to add a little sea salt with some chili flakes. So I ain't going to put any salt in this. I just use a little bit of sea salt with some chili flakes. Then I'm going to add some all-purpose seasoning. A teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. Gonna add some dry thyme with parsley, 1/4 teaspoon, because it's a chicken breast we're doing today, so we don't want to put too much seasoning on it. We don't want to overwhelm it. Add some onion powder, a little touch of onion powder. We're gonna add some garlic powder. Add some garlic powder, so we're just gonna give it a stir. So when you mix in all of that seasoning in it, leave it to marinate for around 10 minutes. Because this now, I'm just gonna burn it off a bit. So I'm gonna leave this one side, people, to burn off a bit. Look at that chicken breast. Yes, people, what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna add some oil in this pot. I just add a little bit of oil. I don't want to use too much oil, just to grease the pot bottom. Run half of a tablespoon of cooking oil, and then I'm gonna add in my chicken breast. So I want my chicken breast to brown off slightly. Yes, guys, my chicken breast been brown off for the last 2 minutes. My pasta cooking for the last 4 minutes. It's a beautiful recipe in Selvin Kitchen, and please give me a thumbs up for the video, people. Selvin Kitchen. Yes, people. My chicken breast and brown off for the last 2 minutes. Now just gonna turn them around. Don't want to brown them off too much. Flick this one around. Sorry for the noise of the frying pan people. You know that I'm in the kitchen, Selvin kitchen. So I'm gonna give that another 2 minutes. Then I take it off. Yes, people, my chicken breasts have been browning off for the last 10 minutes. I give them 5 minutes on each side. I just take my time and flip them over because I want them to cook on the both sides. I want them to cook properly. So it's 10 minutes. So now I'm just going to take them out now and put them on a plate. Then I use my garlic. Yes, guys, so this is all finished now. So I'm just going to take it off. Put it in this plate here. Ah, beautiful. Look at the people. Let me taste these. Lovely. Delicious chicken breast. So now over here now, I'm just gonna add some butter. And add a little bit of butter to it. Then I'm gonna add in my white onion. It's a beautiful recipe, people. Anybody try this recipe? Just take a little small video of it and send it to me. I want to see how you guys turn out with this recipe. Anybody try this recipe before? You can send me a comment. So I turn on my stove on a medium heat. I don't turn it up too high because I don't want my onion to burn. So now I'm gonna add in my mushroom. So I want my mushroom and the onion to cook at the same time to brown off. If you want a little bit more oil, you can add a little bit more oil to it because a lot of people don't like to cook with so much grease, so much oil. Just gonna turn up the stove a little bit more. So I didn't add in the rest of the stuff as yet, like my garlic. I don't want my garlic to burn. Yes, people, so now I'm just gonna add in my garlic, finely chopped garlic. I didn't grate the garlic today, so I chopped the garlic. It's optional. You can grate it, or you can crush it, or you can finely chop. So just gonna add some seasoning. I'm gonna add some sea salt with some chili flakes. A little touch of that. And I had a little bit of sprinkle of, just a touch of all-purpose season. Gonna add a little touch of onion powder in it as well. I know I have the onion in it already, but I'm just gonna sprinkle a little bit of onion powder in it. And the people, beautiful. Yes, people, now I'm gonna add in my heavy cream. And make sure you give it a nice mix. Make sure you scrape out all of that cream out of it and give it a nice mix. And we're gonna add in some paprika. I don't use the smoked paprika. I use the normal paprika because you don't have no taste in it. Just to give it the color. Yes, people. So this been on the fire for the last 2 minutes. So now I'm just gonna add in my lime juice. You can use lemon juice if you don't have lime. Just add in half of lime juice. Half of lime, that is squeeze off of lime. I don't want to use too much lime. Oh, beautiful, people. This is coming down nicely. So I'm just gonna add in back my chicken now. Beautiful recipe, people, beautiful recipe. Wow, look at that, people, look at that. Have some wonderful, delicious recipe, people, coming out. So please hit that notification and please give me a thumbs up for the video, people, that other people can see the video. Give that 2 minutes. Yes, people. So now I'm just gonna add in some wine in it. So you can use any type of white wine to your choice, to your like. So I want all of that double cream, all of that season, all of that white wine to marinate straight through that chicken. Yes, people, beautiful. I know what I'm gonna add in my pasta now. Oh my days, look at that, people. Guys, give me a thumbs up for this video, for this nice, beautiful recipe. So I'm just gonna give it a nice stir. I'm using my wok today. Beautiful. Just gonna add in my cheese now. Beautiful recipe, people. So now I'm just going to turn off my stove now, because I'm just going to use the heat in the pasta to melt the cheese. And now we're going to add in my parsley. Sprinkle a little bit over it. You want to mix up that parsley and that cheese, people. Wow, wow. A little bit more parsley. Take all of it in it. Wow. Looking at my beautiful people in Selvin kitchen, what we do today. Beautiful, nice, simple recipe. So you guys can check out this recipe. Please give me a thumbs up for the video. Please share the video with your friends and family. Okay, you know that when you come on to Selvin kitchen, we're always doing something new. Hi guys, this is all finished, people. Look at this beautiful recipe in Selvin kitchen today. Guys, if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up and please share the video with your friends and family, people. I'm asking you guys for one little tiny favor. Please give me a thumbs up for the video that other people can see it, and please hit the notification bell so when I post a video you guys can see it. It's a beautiful, delicious, easy recipe in Selvin kitchen. Anybody try this recipe? Do a look at video, send it to me and let me see it, how the recipe turn out. Beautiful recipe in Selvin kitchen, people. Beautiful. So thanks you guys for watching. Please like the video before you go. If you don't subscribe already, please hit that subscribe button. It's free to subscribe. Please join the family, Selvin kitchen. I will see you guys in the next video, people. Stay safe. Love, Selvin kitchen.